Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox Crash and unexpected error occurred and Roblox need to quit. Today's video I'm gonna sharing all solution to resolve it guys. Let's jump straight into it. I'm sharing 4 solution today guys. You definitely get resolved by one of these solution. Let's move on to the first solution guys. For that go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select your Roblox having drive. I'm gonna select C drive. Click on OK. Select all these files guys including thumbnails. You just need to check mark all of these including thumbnails. Select cleanup files. Select yes, OK. Wait for it calculating. Select check mark all of these in this including thumbnail. Click on OK. Click on delete files. These all are temporary files only guys, don't be panic of deleting it. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. After finishing this process, go ahead and check whether your problem has been resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the next solution guys. Second solution. For that, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type app data. Click on OK. In app data you just need to search for Roblox app guys. In here, if you find it, you just need to right click on it and select. Click on delete option over here, select delete it guys. After deleting it, close out of here. And after deleting Roblox, you just need to right click on the same way start icon, select run again. In here you just need to type a percentage temp percentage again. Click on OK. In here click anything here and press in keyboard Ctrl+A. Right click on it and select delete. Delete all of these temporary files. Do this for all current items also. After finishing this, click on try again. If anything on deletable, click on skip and continue. After doing it, close out of here. Clear the recycle bin guys. Click on empty recycle bin, click on S. After finishing this, you just need to go to search menu and type install apps. Click on open. Click the search icon and search for Roblox player. You just need to select the 3 dot icon, select uninstall. After getting uninstall done, close out of here. And now you can install Roblox again. Your problem will be resolved. You can install by Google Chrome or your search menu using Microsoft Store. You can install it. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem guys. But if you're still having a problem after installing Roblox, right click on the Roblox player app. Right click on the Roblox player, select properties, select the compatibility tab. You just need to check mark the disable full screen optimization, check mark it, and run this program as an administrator. Check mark it. I already done this yet, that's why I'm check marked it. Both of it you just need to check mark it, select apply and OK. Save changes. After doing it, go ahead and try guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. But if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. Final solution. For that, go to Google Chrome, select the 3 dot icon over here, select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, scroll down, click on cookies and site data. Click on cookies and site data. Scroll down, Select see all site data and permission, click on it. In here you just need to search for Roblox. If you find anything here, you just need to select the trash icon over here, select it and clear it up guys. You just need to clear up the Roblox cache. After finishing this process, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go ahead and check whether your problem has been resolved or not. Hopefully this can help to resolve a problem. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.